Let's continue with nomenclature of ethers. First symmetrical ether is CH3OCH3. CH3OCH3. It is dimethyl ether, common name. IUPAC name methoxymethane. Second ether is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. It can also be written as C2H5, OC2H5. The common name is diethyl ether. Ethoxyethane is the IUPAC name. So the ether which is used as solvent is generally diethyl ether. Next we have unsymmetrical ether. This is methoxy CH3O CH2 CH3 CH3O CH2 CH2 CH3. This is methyl normal propyl ether. This side we have methyl group, this side we have normal propyl group. So we call it methyl normal propyl ether. IUPAC name is 1-methoxypropane. This is first carbon, second, third. With the first carbon, methoxy group is attached, so we call it 1-methoxypropane. This is example of aromatic ether. This is benzene ring where OCH3 group is attached. C6H5 OCH3. Common name is methyl phenyl ether. This is methyl group, this is phenyl group, this is ether. Another common name is anisole. IUPAC name is methoxybenzene and anisole is even accepted in IUPAC system. Another aromatic ether we have C6H5OC2H5. This is C6H5OCH2CH3. This is ethyl phenyl ether. Common name is phenitol. IUPAC name is ethoxybenzene. Here parent is benzene. Another example we have, this side we have phenyl group, oxygen, and here we have haptyl group. We call it haptyl phenyl ether. Now haptane contains 7 carbon atoms. Phenyl group contains 6 carbon atoms. Parent will be haptane. We call it 1-phenoxyhaptane. Next example we have branch chain ether. Here we have methyl group. Here we have isopropyl group. This is methyl group, oxygen. This is isopropyl group, CH, CH3, CH3. So we call it methyl isopropyl ether. IUPAC name is 2-methoxypropane. Why 2-methoxy? This is first, second, third. So the second carbon methoxy group is attached. We call it 2-methoxypropane. This is aromatic ethers. Vinyl group is there. CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Now the number of carbon atoms are more in benzene. So this will be taken as substituent. Phenyl isopentyl ether is the common name. And 3-methyl, this is first, second, third, fourth. 3-methyl butoxybenzene is the IUPAC name. Parent is benzene. Next we have 2 ether groups are present here, OCH3, OCH3. OCH3, CH2, CH2, OCH3. Now we have to name the longest chain. It contains 2 carbon atoms. And both the carbon atoms are linked with methoxy group. So we call it 1,2-dimethoxyethane. Here we have cyclohexane which is attached to ethoxy and 2-methyl group. We give first, second, 2-ethoxy, 1,1-dimethyl cyclohexane. Give IUPAC name of the following compounds. First we have to start counting. OH group has to be preferred over Cl. This will get number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 4-chloro, 2,3-dimethyl, pentane, 1-all. OH group at first carbon, we call it pentane 1-all. Total carbon atom in longest chain is 5, pentane. Second and third are attached with methyl, 2,3-dimethyl. Fourth carbon is attached with chloro, we call it 4-chloro. So complete name is 4-chloro, 2,3-dimethyl, pentane 1-all. This is unsymmetrical ether. We have CH3, CH, CH3. That will be the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. This group is ethoxy. So this will be called as 2-ethoxypropane. Here we have aromatic ring, phenol group and methyl group, methyl group. Counting starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2,6-dimethyl phenol is the name of this compound. Here we have a cyclohexane ring, nitro group and ethoxy group is present. Ethoxy will be given preference over nitro. We call it 1-ethoxy, 2-nitro cyclohexane. Cyclohexane is the parent. 1-ethoxy, 2-nitro cyclohexane is the IUPAC name. We are taking structure of functional groups. OH group is single bonded, so it is sp3 hybridized. Carbon is sp3 hybridized. This oxygen is single bonded. Here we have bond angle 108.9 degree. CO bond length is 142 picometer and OH bond length is 96 picometer. This is the structure of methanol or functional group in methanol. In phenol, carbon oxygen bond is shorter 136 picometer due to sp2 hybridization. This OH is single bond. This bond angle is 109. Here we have got ethers. In ethers, the CO bond length is 141 picometer. Bond angle is 111.7 degree. Although this oxygen is sp3 hybridized, but due to lone pair and strong repulsion between methyl groups, this bond angle is more than 109.5 degree and it is 111.7 degree. Compound is methoxymethane. Central oxygen is sp3 hybridized. Let's take up monohydric phenol of naphthalene. The first one is alpha naphthol. When OH group is on first carbon, this is called first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. That is the way of counting naphthalene. So it is called alpha naphthol because OH group is attached at first carbon. In IUPAC system, we call it 1-naphthol. This compound OH group is at beta carbon, so it is called beta naphthol. In IUPAC system, we call it 2-naphthol. This is derivative of naphthalene, that's why it is called naphthol. Next, we are taking trihydric phenol. The first one is benzene having 3 OH group at first, second, and third. Its popular name is pyrogallol. Remember, pyrogallol is the best absorber of oxygen. IUPAC name will be 1,2,3 benzene triol. Here we have got OH group at 1, 2, and 4. Common name of this compound is hydroxyquinol. If we have OH groups at para position, it is called quinol. And the hydroxy group is there, so we call it hydroxyquinol. IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 4 benzene triol. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 4 is the position where OH group is attached. So we call it 1, 2, 4 benzene triol. This is symmetrical trihydric phenol. The OH group are at 1, 3, and 5 position. Common name is fluoroglucinol. And IUPAC name is 1,3,5 benzene triol. So these were naming of phenols, trihydric phenols which have 3 OH groups.